Hello friends, today we discuss study of floral characters through flower dissection. In earlier lesson, we have studied floral characteristics of Helianthus anus and Clitoria alternatia. Today, we discuss floral characteristics of two flowers, that is Hibiscus rosa sinensis or Goodhull, and another plant is Datura stramonium. Now the object is to study the floral characteristics of family Malvaceae by dissection of Hibiscus rosa sinensis or Goodhull. First of all, classification. As you all know, division is Angiospermy, class Dicotyledon, family Malvaceae, genus Hibiscus and species Rosa sinensis, and these plants commonly known as China rose or shoe flower. Now first of all, we discuss characteristics of the Malvaceae family. Presence of apicalyx is the most important character of family Malvaceae. Petals are twisted with estivation, indefinite stamens and monoadelphous condition. Anthers are reniform and monothecous condition as compared to bithecous. Ovary are two or many carpels with axial placentation, and economic important plants of family Malvaceae are Hibiscus esculentus or Bhindi, commonly known as lady's finger, Bombax or silk cotton tree. Fiber yielding plants are Gossypium species, from which we obtain cotton, Hibiscus cannabis, bhang or patsan, and Hibiscus rosa sinensis shoe flower or China rose provides cortical fibers used for cordage and making ropes. Let's see in the picture the twig of China rose, floral formula and different flower parts of plant Goodhull. Now the floral characters. Inflorescence is solitary and axillary. Flower is pedicellate, complete flower, cyclic, bracteolate in the form of apicalyx, hermaphrodite or bisexual condition, actinomorphic, hypogynous means ovary is superior, regular means complete or all four valves are present in the flower, and pentamerous. 5 to 7 apicalyx color is green and additional word present below calyx. 5 sepals present in calyx and all sepals are fused, hence condition is gamosepalous. Estivation of calyx is velvet. Calyx is bell shaped and green in color. 5 petals present in another word that is known as corolla. All petals are free from each other, hence condition is polypetalous, and the estivation of petals is polypetalous, so estivation is twisted. Shape is bell shaped and slightly fused due to fusion with staminal tube, and red pink in color. Stamens are indefinite in androecium. There are monoadelphous condition as all stamens are forming a single group, that is forming a staminal tube around the style. Adhesion is epipetalous, that is filaments adherent to the basal part of the petal. Anthers are reniform or kidney shaped, free and monothecous, basifixed and extrose. Now gynoecium, 5 carpels, hence pentacarpellary position in gynoecium, syncarpous position. Ovary is superior, pentalocular with 1 or 2 ovules in each locule. Style is long, united below, free above, and passes through staminal tube. 5 stigma and capitate position and axial placentation in China rose. Now another flower is Datura stramonium. So object is to study the floral characteristics of family Solanaceae by dissection of Datura stramonium. Now classification, as all you know, division Angiospermae, class Dicotyledon, family Solanaceae, genus Datura, species Stramonium. Now the important characters of family Solanaceae are as sepals and petals all are fused, means gamosepalous and gamopetalous condition. 5 stamens present in family Solanaceae, and the flowering in family Solanaceae is epipetalous. In the ovary, carpels are placed obliquely. Economic important plants of family Solanaceae provides several important food and medicinal plants like as capsicum annuum or chilies, Solanum tuberosum means potato or aloo, Lycopersicon esculentum, tomato, medicinal plants Atropa belladonna and Vidhania somnifera or ashwagandha. Let us see in the picture, there are different floral parts of Datura stramonium. Solitary axillary position of flower. Flower is ebracteate, pericellate, complete means all 4 valves are present, bisexual or hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, hypogynous means ovary is superior, pentamerous position and cyclic. 5 sepals are present in calyx, and as we studied earlier, all sepals are fused, hence gamosepalous condition. Estivation of sepals is valvate and sepals are persistent. 5 petals present in corolla, and as like sepals, petals are fused to each other, and same above here, gamopetalous condition. Estivation of petals is twisted and shape of corolla is infundibuliform or funnel shaped or bell shaped. 5 stamens present in third whorl known as androecium, and cohesion of stamens is polyandrous condition with long filaments. and epipetalous position of stamens. Anthers are connate or long, basifixed, dithecous and introse. Two carpals means bicarpellary position in gynoecium, and both carpals are fused, hence syncarpous position. Ovary is superior. Carpals placed obliquely. Style is long with slightly bilobed stigma and axile with swollen placenta or obliquely placed placenta. Thank you and have a nice day.